Now guys, it is the start of the next week now, and I know I didn't actually record a ton of the dinner. I just got a couple clips here and there of the meals because I didn't want to distract from such a nice time. It was an amazing time. We had a couple drinks. We had some of that wine, and then I just took her home after, and it's great to keep those connections. If you guys like the idea of staying friends with your ex, go ahead and leave a comment in the section below there what you guys think about that. I know a lot of people, they kind of have like weird looks at me when I say I'm hanging out with my ex or something like this, but you know, I think it's really important to keep these long-term connections open. I think it's a very important part of life, and it really brings you happiness when you can't hold, or you don't hold grudges on people for any specific reason. It shows such great you know, respect for that other person, and shows a lot of maturity out of yourself in that way. So very happy about how things are going. So, you know, if you guys like this content, please make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, today is a very exciting day. I am super happy about what we're going to be doing today. We're going to do a little bit of a vlog here, and I'm going to be taking you guys along the way and showing you a fancy nice dinner here. What we had planned originally when I was with my ex-girlfriend there was today was actually our 5th year anniversary. So because we are still great friends, we're still seeing each other maybe like once a week, hanging out, going to do something together, and you know, getting along great generally. We thought it'd still be a great idea to celebrate a little bit more of that friendship. 5 years, my best friend so far in my life, so it's really nice to be able to still celebrate that. Originally we had planned each of us was going to do something nice for each other, like plan some sort of adventure or something like that. I had planned a limo ride up to Whistler and then staying in a hotel. She had planned a helicopter ride around the city, so that would have been really cool to do as well. But for dinner, our friend Mitch is actually a professional chef at a nice restaurant called Boulevard. It's a really nice restaurant downtown here, and he decided to make us a custom tasting menu based off of our preferences, and custom cocktails and everything. So we're still going to take advantage of that, and we're still going to go out and we're going to have an awesome dinner and an awesome day. What I've done here is I've just picked up some wine, get rid of the yogurt here, a bottle of champagne. So we're going to have a couple of those, but I think first thing is first, I still got to go to the gym, guys, because that's the priority here. So I'm going to have some tea. I got tea in the background there, and I'm going to actually take apart that watch, hopefully, and see if I can actually wear it instead of my daily watch, and then we can dress a little bit nicer than a turtle shirt. Alright guys, just cracked a bottle of wine and some truffle cheese here. I was just at the gym and I came back, and this looks like timekeeping. This looks like my watch that I ordered. A brand new watch. Let's see how it is. Let's open it up. Alright, it's nice packaging, I guess. Who cares? We only care about the watch. Come on, let's go. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, baby, look at this. Alright. Oh. Oh, yeah. Very similar to my current watch, but you can see just a little bit of differences. That's a nice watch. Look at the little, can you see the little engraved bumps on the inside? Let me take this piece off here. You can see it's textured on the inside. That's a nice looking watch there. So what I have to do, because I don't have the proper tools, I have this super small screwdriver, and I'm just going to hit the back of it. I got one out a little bit, and I'm just going to tap it and see if I can remove those pins and then get them back in, hopefully somehow. All right, there it is. Time to go to the gym. Now it's actually quite a beautiful day in Vancouver for fall here, I think. Normally it's just pouring rain right now, so this is actually quite nice. I can see the mountains and everything. It's not cloudy, it's great. Should be a good day. All right, so she's coming over. She'll be here in a couple minutes, and I had gotten her her favorite perfume, one called Flower Bomb. She hasn't had in a couple years, so she really likes that. So I got her that, and I also got like a little sampler one. So I got to run down to the car and grab like a men's sampler one, so I can like kind of match just for today. I got it just for today. I'm never gonna wear it again, but it's like the men's version of the same flower bomb. I don't know. It might be really flowery. We'll see.
2,000 years later.
Suppose I should have expected this, but she is super late. So we're only gonna have like 15 minutes here to pop the we're gonna pop the champagne, and then we're gonna have to head out in an Uber really quick because our reservation is in like half an hour. She's like a couple minutes down the road still.
6.5 hours later.
Oh my gosh, she's finally here, and look at that coat. And then she's got to do her hair when she gets here too. I got this one so I can smell just like you.
Yay.
Pop that bottle. Yeah, let's do it. Well, I'm gonna need you to record this, I think. Or you should pop it. Ah! I got it.
Okay.
You should pop it.
So I squirted at your face, right?
Oh my god! You squirted on my face.
We aim it at your face, right?
Aim it.
Just shake it first?
No, you're gonna make a mess. Just don't hit a light. And don't squirt it on my face. You can use a knife if you want to. You want a knife?
No.
Okay, you can hold a bit. Woo! Yeah.
Oh, okay. We did not break the ceiling.
Yeah. There's no dents in the ceiling. Awesome. Cheers. Let's get a wine glass. You had a burger before coming out for a fancy dinner. You had a burger for breakfast? An hour ago?
Hours.
Oh. Ah! Okay. Let's just fill them up all the way because we got a cab to catch. Goddamn mask mandate right now. I forgot my mask. I gotta run back upstairs. The Uber's waiting. Grab a mask. Ash is waiting in the car. So, damn it. I can't. I gotta sit in a restaurant with a mask. This is so annoying. Alright boys, on a scale of 1 to 10, in the comment section below, how cute is this mask? The waiter just explained what all of these are, and it sounded so beautiful. But I have no idea anymore. Okay, we ready? Let's go. All right, guys. So I just dropped her off back at home, and it was an amazing night. It was an 8-course. We didn't expect that many courses. 8-course tasting menu, and we had some really cool stuff. We had some quail. We had some Arctic char, we had some halibut, we had all of these really cool things, and it was an amazing time. And then we came back, we listened to some music, and then dropped her off. So that pretty much wraps up that. I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I hope you guys are keeping your relationships strong as well. See you guys next time.